Modern Age, MCQs, Physics, Second Year, Unit 12, Current Electricity, Part 3. If a source of EMF B sends a current I through a resistive circuit, then the power dissipation will be given by option A IR, option B IV, option C I square R, option D V square divided by R. The key is IV. Therefore, the correct option is B. Reason. According to definition of power, P is equal to work divided by time. In this case, the work done on charge Q by the potential difference B is V into Q divided by T is the power, or P is equal to Q divided by T into V, where Q divided by T is current I, therefore power is equal to IV. Hence, power dissipation in a resistive circuit is IV. A source of 4.5 volts is connected across a resistor. It sends a current of 1.0 milliampere through the resistor. What is the power dissipation in milliwatt? Option A 4.5, option B 4.0, option C 3.5, option D 3.0. The key is 4.5. Therefore, the correct option is A. Reason. The power dissipation is P is equal to IV, which is equal to 1.0 milliampere into 4.5 volt, or power P is equal to 4.5 milliwatt, because ampere into volt is a watt and the current is in milliampere, therefore the power is also in milliwatt. Hence, power dissipation in resistor is 4.5 milliwatt. A current I is passing through a resistor R. The power dissipation will be option A IR, option B IV, option C I square R, option D V square divided by R. The key is I square R. Therefore, the option C is correct. Reason. The power dissipation is P is equal to work divided by time, which is equal to V into Q, which is the work done on charge Q due to the potential difference V divided by T, which is equal to V into I, because Q divided by T is equal to I, or the power dissipation is equal to I R into I, which is equal to I square R, because V is equal to I R. Hence, the power dissipation is I square R. A resistance of 25 ohms is connected to a current source which supplies 2 ampere to the resistor. The power dissipation is calculated to be option A 25 watts, option B 50 watts, option C 75 watts, option D 100 watts. The key is 100 watts. Therefore, the correct option is D. Reason. The power dissipation is P is equal to W divided by T, where W is equal to Q into V divided by T, which is equal to Q divided by T into V, where Q divided by T is I, or P is equal to I square R, or P is equal to 2 square plus 25, or P is equal to 100 watts. An electric device of resistance R is connected to a source of EMF V volts. its temperature rises due to power dissipation of option A, IR, option B, IV, option C, I square R, option D, V square divided by R. The key is V square divided by R. Therefore, the option D is correct. Reason: power P is equal to work divided by time, which is equal to Q into V, which is the work done on the charge by the potential difference V divided by time T, which is equal to I into V, because Q divided by T is equal to I, which is equal to V divided by R. According to Ohm's law, I is equal to V divided by R into V, which is equal to V square divided by R. Hence, the power dissipation is V square divided by R. The EMF of a mobile battery is 4.5 volts and its total resistance is 4.5 ohms. The minimum power consumed by it is option A 4.5 watt, 4.0 watt, 3.5 watt, 3.0 watt. The key is 4.5 watt. Therefore, the correct option is A. Reason: power P is equal to work divided by time is equal to Q into V divided by time. Q divided by T is current into V, which is equal to I into V. Rp is equal to V divided by R into V, which is equal to V square divided by R. Therefore, the power dissipation in R is P is equal to 4.5 whole square divided by 4.5, which is equal to 4.5 watt. Hence, the power consumed is 4.5 watt. A source of internal resistance small r can transfer maximum power to a circuit of resistance capital R if option A, capital R is greater than small r, B, capital R is less than small r, C, capital R is equal to small r, option D, capital R is 0. The key is capital R is equal to small r, which means that the external resistance, the resistance of the circuit, should be equal to the internal resistance of the source. Hence, the correct option is C. Reason: if I is the current supplied by source of EMF epsilon, then epsilon is equal to I into R plus capital R, because the internal resistance and external resistance are in series. Therefore, the current through the circuit is equal to epsilon divided by internal resistance plus the external resistance, which is the resistance of the circuit. The power delivered to the circuit is P is equal to I square R, which is equal to square bracket epsilon divided by R plus R whole square into R. Rp is equal to epsilon square into capital R divided by square bracket R square plus 2RR. Rp is equal to epsilon square into R divided by square bracket R square plus R square minus 2R into capital R plus 4 small r into capital R. Here we have added 2 small r into capital R, and also we subtracted 2 small r and capital R. Therefore, the power P is equal to epsilon square into R divided by square bracket small r minus capital R whole square plus 4 R into capital R The power is maximum if the denominator is minimum. Therefore, the maximum power is epsilon r square divided by 4 r. Epsilon square divided by 4 small r. If r minus capital R is equal to 0, it makes the denominator minimum, or r is equal to r. Hence, the transfer of maximum power to a circuit, if R is equal to R. The electrical energy consumed in one electrical unit is option A 3.6 into 10 power 6 joules, option B 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 joule, option C 6.4 into 10 power 6 joules, option D 6.63 into 10 power minus 4 joules. The key is 3.6 into 10 power 6 joules. Therefore, the correct option is A. Reason: one electrical unit is EU equal to 1 kilowatt hour, and 1 kilowatt hour is equal to 1000 into joules per second into 300 seconds, or 1 kilowatt hour is equal to 3.6 into 10 power 6 joules. Hence, the electrical energy consumed in one electrical unit is 3.6 into 10 power 6 joules. The cost of one electrical unit is rupees 5.00. Ali used a bulb of 500 watt for 10 hours and received a bill of option A rupees 15.00, B rupees 20.00, C rupees 25.00, or D rupees 30.00. Key is 25.00. Therefore, the correct option is C. Reason: the number of electrical units of energy consumed is N equal to 500 watt into 10 hour, or N is equal to 5000 watt hour, which is equal to 5 kilowatt hour, which is 5 electrical unit, or the cost is rupees 5 into 5 electrical unit, which is equal to rupees 25.00. Hence, Ali received a bill of rupees 25. A battery of EMF 4 volts with internal resistance 0.1 ohm is not connected to an external circuit. A voltmeter measures the potential difference between the terminals of the battery. Option A plus 4 volts, option B plus 2 volts, option C minus 4 volts, option D minus 2 volts. The key is plus 4 volts. Therefore, the correct option is A. Reason: formula epsilon is equal to I into small r, which is the internal resistance of the battery, plus IR, where capital R is the uh, resistance of the circuit, which can be written as I into small r plus Vt. Vt is the terminal potential difference, which is the potential difference across the circuit, or epsilon is equal to 0 plus Vt, because there is no circuit connected with the battery, the flow of the current is 0, I is 0, therefore the first term is 0. The current I is equal to 0 because the circuit is an open circuit. Therefore, the terminal potential difference Vt is equal to the EMF of the battery, which is written as epsilon. Hence, Vt is equal to epsilon, or Vt is equal to 4 volts, because the EMF of the source is 4 volts.